Hello, this is Emily from POWR. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create an Instagram business account so you can use POWR Social Feed. First, go to Instagram on your mobile app and click Settings. Then, switch to Professional Account. You can select Business or Creator, depending on what suits you best. Then follow the steps on the screen. Then you'll need to connect your Instagram business or creator account to your Facebook page. This is a necessary step in order to manage your Instagram account from the computer, for example, for your website. So go to your Facebook feed, click on Pages on the left-hand side. Then click Settings, and then scroll down and select Instagram. Click Connect Account. Then you can choose to allow Instagram access to your inbox. Log into Instagram. And that's it. Your account is now connected. Next step is to go to POWR. Go to POWR.io and select Plugins in the top navbar. Then click Social Feed and Get App. You'll be taken to the POWR editor, and from here you can connect your Instagram account to POWR Social Feed. Select Instagram as your social platform, and then click Continue with Facebook. Log into Facebook here, and then select which Instagram business account you want to use with POWR Social Feed, and which pages. Make sure all pages are selected. Accept the permissions, and that's it. Your account is now linked to POWR Social Feed. Now you can edit the POWR Social Feed in the POWR editor. You can choose to display your feed, or you can also display a hashtag, for example here, e-commerce. And this will display any posts tagged using that hashtag. Click Done and go over to the Content tab. Here you can add a title to your social feed so that people know where they can follow you. In the Design tab, you can change the layout and size of your social feed. You can change the fonts, the colors, display captions, and when you're ready, hit Publish to add it to your website. Select your platform and then follow the on-screen instructions to add the app to your website. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorials.